Solar power versus traditional charging, portable charger review. Title: Solar power versus traditional charging, portable charger review. Introduction. In our increasingly digital world, a reliable and portable power source is essential. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, traveling for work, or simply navigating a power outage, having a dependable charger can be a game changer. In recent years, two options have gained significant traction: solar-powered chargers and traditional charging solutions. In this article, we will explore the pros and cons of each, highlighting their key features and offering a comprehensive review of portable chargers. Traditional charging. Traditional charging relies on electricity from the grid or an external power source to charge your devices. These chargers typically come in the form of power banks or wall adapters, offering quick and efficient charging capabilities. Here are some noteworthy aspects of traditional charging. 1. Resources and availability. Traditional chargers can be easily found in stores, and their compatibility with various devices makes them widely accessible. With an array of power capacities, they provide different options depending on your specific needs. 2. Speed and efficiency. Compared to solar-powered chargers, traditional charging options are often faster and more efficient, especially if you have access to an electrical outlet. This makes them ideal for situations where time is of the essence or for devices with higher power requirements such as laptops or cameras. 3. Limited portability. The main drawback of traditional chargers is their reliance on an electrical grid. This limits their usefulness in remote areas or during outdoor activities where accessing an outlet might be impractical or impossible. Solar-powered chargers. Solar-powered chargers utilize photovoltaic panels to convert sunlight into electrical energy. These chargers are a sustainable alternative to traditional options, harnessing the power of the sun to charge your devices. Here are the key features of solar-powered chargers. 1. Harnessing renewable energy. One of the main advantages of solar-powered chargers is their utilization of renewable energy. By tapping into the power of the sun, these chargers provide a clean and sustainable solution, reducing our reliance on conventional electricity grids. 2. Portability and convenience. Solar chargers come in various sizes and designs, ranging from compact panels designed to fit in a backpack to larger, foldable units. This portability makes them ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and campers looking to stay connected even in the remotest of areas. 3. Environmental benefits. Solar-powered chargers emit no harmful emissions, unlike traditional chargers. This eliminates the carbon footprint associated with charging devices, making solar charging a greener option. Reviewing portable chargers. To provide a comprehensive review, we have selected two popular portable chargers, one representing each charging category. 1. Anker PowerCore 10,000. Representing the traditional charging category, the Anker PowerCore 10000 offers a sleek, pocket-sized charger with a power capacity of 10,000 mAh. This charger is compatible with various devices incorporated, including smartphones, tablets, and more. Pros: quick charging capabilities, thanks to PowerIQ technology. Compact and lightweight design, making it highly portable. Efficient battery optimization and power management. Provides multiple device charges with its high capacity. Compatible with a wide range of devices. Affordable price point. Cons: relies on access to an electrical outlet. Limited functionality in remote locations. Not as environmentally friendly as solar-powered options. 2. Goal Zero Nomad 20 solar panel. Representing the solar-powered charging category, the Goal Zero Nomad 20 is a rugged, foldable solar panel capable of charging various devices via the sun's energy. Equipped with a 20-watt solar kappa. City, it is ideal for outdoor adventures or emergency situations. Pros: harnesses solar energy for a sustainable power source. Highly portable and durable design. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, cameras, and more. Offers multiple charging options with USB and 12V ports. Weather resistant, making it suitable for various outdoor conditions. Ideal for off-grid situations. Cons: slower charging speed compared to traditional chargers. Reliance on sunlight for effective charging. Higher initial cost compared to traditional chargers. May require additional accessories for optimal performance.